This is the video guide dedicated to help you get rid of the malicious pop-ups and scary alerts that come from the website Vyredis.bio. Vyredis.bio is yet another deceptive and tricky and very malicious website attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This website claims to be related to some well-known security software. However, there is no connection between these pop-ups and that well-known security software. These pop-ups by Vyredis.info are controlled by certain online hackers who try to actually force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The pop-up indicates that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. However, the same message comes up on other computers that are also infected by such pop-ups. So it cannot be true that all of them are infected with 5 viruses. These pop-ups, if you interact with them, they may force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software, or in some cases you may simply be forwarded to certain deceptive websites because of them. So you shouldn't interact with them. Don't ever download or install anything that they suggest. I recommend you to carefully research the control panel of your computer. So carefully check the list of all the available programs. In case you find any items that are suspicious, make sure you uninstall all these suspicious programs from the list if you detect them. Finally, I recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use this screen download button, install the application, and begin carefully researching and investigating your system with its help to detect and delete other infections completely from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.